How to sync contacts on Telegram. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can sync contacts on Telegram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to sync contacts on Telegram, you can simply open up the Telegram app. So currently if I tap the three lines option and go to this contact option, and let's say if it is not synced even if you had allowed the permission, so tap the three lines option instead and go to settings, right? And when you go to settings over here, what you actually have to do is you need to go to the option called privacy and security. When you go to privacy and security, just scroll down and here under contacts you'll find an option called sync contacts. So first I would recommend to delete all the currently synced contacts, then just sync the new contacts. If you want to suggest frequent contacts, you can just enable this as well. This way you'll be able to sync contacts on Telegram. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any questions, queries or doubts, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.